Hello everyone. This is one more interesting question related with structural geology that came in GATE 2025. So I'm going to explain this question and what we should do while answering these questions. Okay, I will also explain that. And if you have any question apart from this, you can ask. Okay, please ask. Okay, not from me only. From wherever you are learning, ask question there. Okay. Only then you will learn something. Okay, otherwise you just see and come, but you will not understand the things properly. Okay, ask question so that your involvement will be more. Okay, in this, once that interest is created now, after that geology is very easy. Okay, so now in this question what is given, on a normal fault, a plane dipping 60 degrees toward east. Okay, the measure heave and throw are 5 meter and 12 meter given respectively. If strike slip component of fault is 13 meter, the magnitude of true dip of fault we have to calculate. Okay, so now first we will construct one normal fault. Okay, that is dipping towards 60 degree toward east. Okay, and for solving this question, 3D visualization in your mind should be clear. Okay, if you visualize these lines in your mind, now you can tactily solve. Okay, and if that visualization is not that clear, try to practice 3D diagrams. Okay, and try to visualize the things. Okay, visualization and sketching is very important. Okay, these three things comes in your mind. Okay, first. So now we will construct 3D diagram. Okay, for this. Suppose this is our north. Okay, and this side is our east. Our fault plane is also dipping toward east. Okay, with how much 60 degree. Okay, so now next step what they are telling, heave they have measure. Okay, heave and throw is heave and throw are 5 and 12. Okay, now heave is this horizontal distance. Okay, I'm constructing a flue. Okay, how much it is displaced from this horizontal. Okay, this is we call it as heave. Okay, how much this is apart separated. Okay, we call it as heave throw. Sorry. Okay, both are making 90-degree angle. Okay, this way. Okay, our the throw is 5 and our heave is throw is 12. Sorry, throw is 12, heave is 5. Okay, and this angle is 60 degree. Okay, this dip angle is 60 degree. So this angle is also, this is 90 degree, and this angle is also 60 degree. Okay, if this angle is 60, this angle is also 60. Okay, so this angle is also 60. Now up to this we have drawn. Okay, now I will go further. Okay, now if the strike slip component of fault is 13 meter. Okay, one more condition there. I will just change the color. Okay, for this. So now The second step, what they are asking, if strike slip component fault is 13 meter. Okay, strike slip component means in a plane how much it is displaced. Suppose this is our some bed. Now it is displaced. It is in plane view. Okay, how much it is getting displaced. Okay, so it is the gap is this gap that is creating between the two is 13 meter. Suppose this is our 13 meter. Okay, strike slip component. Okay, so from this what we will learn, if there is a normal fault as well as a strike slip component is also there, so it means this fault is a diagonal slip fault. Okay, overall movement is diagonal slip. Okay, okay, means in between 0 to 19, because for 19 normal fault and for 0 strike slip fault, so it comes within this. Okay, so now how we will calculate the true displacement? We'll use one more color. Okay, this is our true displacement between. Okay, and this is the line. One more color I will use. This is the same line that I'm drawing here. Okay, okay, so two triangles are coming. Okay, this is 90 degree. Okay, now two triangles are coming. Okay, so how we will use these two triangles, and both are 90 degree. One angle is 90 degree, so it means we will use which, and here we are not getting any angle. Okay, we are not getting any angle. Okay, but here we have angle. Okay, 60 degree. Okay, so we will use this angle and try to find out. Now I will zoom out this diagram. Okay, so you might get confused. Okay, this is one triangle. This is in cross sectional view. Okay, this is in cross sectional view. Okay, so this is our 12, this is 5, this angle is 60 degree. Okay, either we use or not, let us see. And this is our hypotenuse. Okay, so first we will calculate hypotenuse. Why I'm going to calculate hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem? Why? Because this line is parallel to this line. Okay, this line, all these lines, three lines are parallel to one another. No? Okay, so for calculating this line, if we will get this is already given. Again we will apply Pythagoras theorem to this triangle itself. Okay, so now how much? 12 का square plus 5 का square, h is equal to 144 plus 5, 25. We will get 169, and the root of this is 13. So we are getting this line as a 13. Okay, and the same way this line is also 13. So now I will construct this diagram. Okay, okay, and now here we are getting 90 degree. Okay, here we are getting 90 degree. So now this line is 13 meter, that is like slip component, and this along that normal fault. Okay, Okay, we're calculating. Okay, this is also 13 degree. So now we have to calculate the magnitude. Magnitude means how much movement it will take. They are not talking about the angle, okay? They are talking about the movement, okay? So how much movement it has taken. Same we have to apply Pythagoras theorem, okay? H square is equal to p square plus b square. H is equal to 13 square plus 13 square, okay? 169 plus 169, okay? 169 plus 169, and we have to calculate root of this 338. 338, 338, and under root of this is 18.38 meter. This is our answer. Okay, now if additional information is, now if they will ask to calculate the angle, okay, so if two sides are equal, it means both these angles are 45 degrees. Okay, so this question is not that difficult, okay, it is very simple, okay. So now in this way we have to approach this question, okay. I'm solving this, okay, but if my concept is clear now, all those things will become directly, I will directly solve this question, okay. I need not to construct this diagram and this diagram, okay. If it is little, the question level is little difficult, then I will construct, otherwise I will directly do this, okay. Because visualization is there, na? 3D visualization is there, okay. Okay, and to make it strong, practice more, okay. Repeat this question again and again, okay. And if you have any question, ask, and share this video with your friends. Discuss among each other. If you have any query related with this question or any other question, you can ask me, okay. I'm ready to help you, okay. Thank you. Hope you learned something from this video.